Hey, welcome back everybody. Happy Sunday. This is just a small but quick update because I didn't want to, I know it's been a couple weeks since I last posted, and that's just because things have been slow per usual. So at this point, there should be no surprise. But I'm happy to report the tile for the shower is finished. Yay. So I am really excited about that. It took too long. And part of the reason the contractor told me about the tile taking as long as it because the tile is heavy. You know what I'm saying? It's not a light tile. And of course, if I would able to get the tile that I showed you in previous videos, probably would have been a lot quicker. But it really is a heavy tile. This feels like it weighs at least almost 3 pounds. So he had to wait for the tile to set. So before he was able to stack, them on top of each other. So that's one of the reasons why the delays. So the next step in the process will be the floors. And he's going to be starting on that next week, he told me. And then it's just a matter of just installing the vanity and the toilet and the mirror and the light. Hallelujah. And yeah, then I will have a functional bathroom. I'm so excited. So excited. So yeah, so I just want to give you guys this little update, and hopefully I will be able to post better updates or more updates for you guys next week. So since we're here, I finally give you some updates about this floor too. So maybe we'll just call this video, floors part 1. So it was my contractor's idea to do a like an epoxy flooring. And at first I was just gonna do like a regular laminate because I just want to be done. Like I just want to be done. Anything else I could change at a different point in time. Like I don't care no more. I just want to be done. Be like, since you took this long, like, hey, go for it. So he had the idea of doing an epoxy, and if you guys are familiar with it, it's kind of like what you see, kind of like terrazzo or like the flakes that you probably see in some counters and flooring, garages, stuff like that. So I won't be able to insert a picture here, but maybe I might do it in a link for those who need imaging. And the first one I ordered was gray. Now this is not the gray that I ordered. This is for him using leveler, to cover the floor, the hole that was in the floor. But he was saying how the gray that I ordered is pretty much the same color as this. And do I really want this to be the flooring, especially when my wallpaper is what it is, and I eventually want to have black cabinets and appliances and stuff. So he was recommending, oh, and speaking of here, I'll show you a bit of the epoxy flakes. So here are the epoxy flakes. I probably won't be using these because he's suggesting that I get something that actually complements the colors in my wallpaper. But I feel like my wallpaper is so bright and so bold. Like I don't want anything clashing with it. I feel like the floor should be kind of neutral. So that way it's not too busy. And like this paper is already wild, you know what I'm saying? It's literally a jungle. So I'm like, do I really need wild floors? But here is his suggestion. His suggestion is going with a black terrazzo flooring. And he was saying that it will really pop, and he thinks it will complement the wallpaper. In addition to, his justification was, even though you can't see it real well, throughout the house I have these kind of like blondish hardwoods. But I think I showed you guys that the, let's see if I can find it. The flooring, let's see, where is the tile for the floor? It's not the best example. The floor is going to be these hexagon tile in the bathroom. So because these are black, and it's going to be in the bathroom, and it's going to be what you see, like the only difference from the hardwoods that in the rest of the house, to complement the black that's going on in the bathroom. He was saying that the kitchen floor should probably also be black as well, to kind of like carry that theme over. So I'll be curious to see what you guys think about his concept of having a black floor. Now, mind you, my initial cabinets aren't going to be black. It's just a filler until I can get in the space. But eventually my thinking is black cabinets. So black floors and black cabinets. Like I was holding on to the image of black cabinets in my mind for years now. And I don't like having to change my mind because I'm very stubborn. But given the colors in the wallpaper, I can almost see like a gray cabinet, or even keeping like, I like the slim oak shaker. I think that would also be complementary to this, and keep it, maybe things calm and cool above if the floor is also going to be very, very, very bold. So that is what's going on with the plans right now. So he is going to start, like I said, next week, probably with the bathroom floor tile, doing the hexagon, and then start with the kitchen floor with the epoxy. So yeah, so those are my updates. And if you have any comments, questions, or thoughts, feel free to share them in the chat. All right, I'll talk to you guys later.